Hello guys, welcome to Chat Jamaica, and you know that I am your lady Tania, a true Jamaican here in Barbados.
We buy fish cakes.
Oh, the fish cakes?
Yeah, I didn't plan to come this far. That's why I left the car.
Is it?
You buy some?
Yes, we could. Where is it sold here?
Oh no.
No?
I don't think they're there. I smell the fish cakes. Must be this lady
You
here.
want to answer? Fish cake. Ah, it's right on
Yes.
it. Fish cakes. Oh.
Hi. How are you? Any fish cakes ready yet? We don't just want to get two though, just because we smell them. We smell them coming up from down past over there. So I thought it was the person in the blue building over there, blue thing. They're not there anymore? Over there in the container.
Yeah, them still there.
Oh. Well, I ain't going all the way down them rocks. Oh, this is the beach.
Yes.
You've got the lifeguard hut.
Okay. Hello. Everybody smell it. How much you want me to taste?
Coming now, ma'am. Coming now, ma'am.
Oh, she's waiting as well. Yeah.
We only want to. We're kind of on a tour right now, so we just grab two and keep moving.
The beach, it's
Enterprise Beach, known as Miami Beach.
but it's just relaxed. It's calm. Today's a calm day.
See all these cars? That's yes. All these cars.
First, I don't want to buy that. Other people fish cake.
Everybody love grandma fish cake. While we wait on Alice's fish cake, this is how fish cake is made in Barbados. First, you need salt fish. Add water to the salt fish and you're going to boil. Then you're going to boil again in fresh water. Allow to cool. After cooling, flake the salt fish. Then you're going to add onion, pepper sauce, thyme, chives. You're going to mix everything together in a bowl. Afterwards, you're going to need flour, baking powder, and baking soda. You're going to mix everything together. Add water. After it is mixed, this is how it looks. Let the oil get to a certain temperature on the fire. Then you're going to add in the fish cakes. Allow them to get golden brown and then they're removed. And that is how fish cakes are made here in Barbados.
The bread and two is usually a salt bread with two fish cake.
Oh, $2.50. Okay, thank you.
You took my picture?
No, not this. Oh, doing this one.
Okay guys, so I'm going to try the fish cakes. You just saw where I got them from Grandma
Allison.
Allison, and they're hot. They're really hot, so I have to take my time with them because Allison ensure that they're served hot. Ooh, so you get the fish cake on the spot hot. All right, so I'm just going to taste it. It's still hot.
At Enterprise Beach.
Oh guys, we're at Enterprise Beach. It's beautiful. I would attend this beach as well. Yeah, this is good guys. You can check out Miss Allison fish cakes. Has the right spice in there and it's tasting really nice. What you put in there? Saltfish?
Saltfish.
Oh, it's
I can see the saltfish from here, yes.
You should try this when you come to Barbados. Just remember Enterprise Beach, Miss Allison fish cake. Let us all hope that you enjoyed this video, guys. This was my first time tasting the Bajan fish cakes and it was delicious. Thank you for watching Chat Jamaican. Little more. Bye.
Chat Jamaican with Tania. Chat Jamaican with Tania. Chat Jamaican with Tania. Chat Jamaican with Tania. When me walk through the valley of